Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn a normal photo into a fun ride with Reindeer animations using TwinFace app. This effect is perfect for holiday content, Christmas posts, or just for fun. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the TwinFace app. If you don't have it yet, just go to Play Store and then just download it from there. And then next, just simply log in using your Google account. And the good news is TeamFace offers a free plan with weekly credit, so you can try these animations, this effect without paying anything. And then next once, and then next once you're in, you will be taken on the home page like this. And then next, just look for the magic effect. This one, just tap on it. And then next, just tap on the effect that called Reindeer Cruise. This one, just tap on it. This effect that will create the ride with reindeer animations like this. And then next, just tap on plus button to upload the photo like this. Just upload the photo that you want to animate, that you want to transform. And for the best result, just use a clear photo with a visible face and good lighting. For example, like this. And then just tap on confirm. And when you're done, just tap on create. It will take one credit. Just tap on it and wait for the process. Okay, like this, your photo is now transformed into a ride with render animations like this. I think it looks so cool. Next, you can just save the results. If you like it, just save it directly to your device by tap on the download button like this. And then, okay, maybe that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.